What was your first job doon sa US?
Ang pinakamalapit na employer dun sa bahay na tinitirhan namin is this wine store. Wala akong idea, hindi naman ako umiinom, may asthma ako, meron akong tawag nila Asian flush, di ba? I think this was in December. Holiday, they need help. I made the best resume I can, but I got hired. That was it. The rest was history. I just did the best I can, and then, I worked my way up. I worked for that company for 12 years. By the time I
12
left...
years?
12 years. By the time I left, I was managing the highest volume store in the company. So,
Wow. Dino, I'm gonna have a steak dinner with my wife. What do you recommend?
what are you celebrating?
Anniversary.
How special do you want to make this?
Very special.
Very special. That's okay. Lika, lakad tayo dito, Ninong Rai,
Ay,
ha?
sige po.
Do you want it wine sweet? Do you want it dry? Anong preference mo?
Yes. Gusto ko yung sweet. Oh.
Gusto mo medyo sweet?
Yes.
Perfect, Ninong Rai. I have this wine. It's called Georgie Costa Rosa. It's Italian wine. Galing siya sa Georgie Vineyards. I really love this wine. I want you to try it. Just try it. If you like it, that's great. Kung hindi mo gusto, it's okay. You bring back that bottle, bibilin ko sa'yo.
Talaga?
Bibilin ko sa'yo. You use that money however you want. Kung gusto mo, if you want to give it another try, gusto mong bumili ng iba pang wine, I'll help you pick. And then we can do this process until we find the perfect wine for you. How's that sound?
Sige. Kunin ko na yan. Magkano ba to?
It's $9.99. 500 pesos.
Okay.
6.
Sige, yes. Bigyan mo ko 6. Oh.
Deal. Buhatin ko sa car mo.